Hello everyone and welcome to the video tutorial on how you can work with images inside Google Docs. I'm Sabine from Create, Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's jump into our topic. Now in order to insert an image inside Google Docs, you can simply go to Insert and click on Image. If you have any images inside a computer, then you can just upload the images from your computer and work on that, or else you can search from web. You can simply click on Search the Web. Now after you do that, a sidebar will appear in which you can search what you want to search for, right? So let me search for books. Now after I do this, you can choose any of this image, drag and get it inside the document that you want to use. In order to make it smaller, you can use the corner size tool right here. Right here as shown in the screen, right? So it's in the corner, you can just click, hold and drag it down. So the size is fixed. Now the initial situation when you insert images inside your Google Docs is that you cannot move the image along with the text. So in order to move the image along with the text, what you can do is just click right here, wrap text, right? So if you click here, then the text will wrap around the image. Your image becomes portable. That means you can just move around with the images. So let me click the second option right now. You can try it with the third option. Just play around with these, and then you'll get to know about it. So after I do this, I can move the images, and if I put here, then the text will be wrapped around it. So that's one of the features that you can play around with, and it will help you out. And you can set the margins of the image as well. So let me set it to 1.6 mm. So the margins help to create a gap between the text and the images. So this will help you out as well. Now these are some of the options on how you can move the image, how you can set the margin for the image, how you can wrap text around the image. What you can do is right click on the image, and right here you will see image options, right? So just click on that. Here are some of the image options that you'll see right here. So you can just play around with these and you'll get to know about them. It's about the position, it's about the text wrapping, it's all of the options that you can try out with images. You can even recolor and play with colors around the image. You can make adjustments regarding the opacity, brightness, contrast, right? These are some of the instructions on image options. Now in order to crop images, what you can do is just right click on the mouse again and simply click on crop image. So you can see the black borders right here on the image, right? So just click on it, hold it, and then move upwards. So this is the part that will get cropped this much, and this much will remain. So these are some of the basic instructions on how you can work with images inside Google Docs. There are many more. You can play around with the image options, but these are the basic ones. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.